MLA ke South Shillong ba Sanbor Shulai la penlong jing rakhe Christmas lupa da ka ba khot egi kin hun yam ba pher bodon na than laban ha ka ne ka sngi la penlong jing rakhe da ka monitoring implementation committee hapo ke jing lam uba Sanbor la pen ku burom ru ka samla akriti chen ka ba job ka nam Miss Shillong arjar khat khandai uba Sanbor ula jing rap pisa ji khat nrit li ki committee ki balang ki kun hun yam ba pher mar arpue hejar tengka shwai ka ne la penlong ru ka jing bu sunte ho umat patagon and sangma Utirit Singh bat ukyang nongba.
Pre-Christmas and New Year celebration 2019 Iraq ini abang ko bahama berapa celebrate Christmas. Ya, salah.
The reason why I am here today is all because of my parents, because of my family members, and undoubtedly because of the members of the Fashion Society Shillong. They really believed in me since the beginning. So born into a hardworking family of teachers, I was always expected to be good in academics, only studies, but there was a twist. My parents, they really encouraged me to also take part in extra co-curricular activities. And after being through a whole new journey of Miss Shillong 2019, I realized that extracurricular activities is so much important. And I think it is because of my parents that I've achieved it. And I would like to request all the parents out here to really encourage their children and also to encourage them to do extra co-curricular activities in school. Let it be dancing, let it be NCC, let it be singing. It really helps.
The first cosmopolitan locality which was established since the British regime, it's a matter of more than 100 years ago. So we in Lapan, we were taught since our childhood. We are born and brought up and living like our own brother and sister amongst all faith, religion and community. So I remember me and all my colleagues, my friends, my brother and sister of all communities, of all faith and religion that we were taught. We remember our pastime, we remember our young age. When there is a Christmas, we used to announce with the permission of the headman that all communities should come forward and do the cleaning drive to make our locality green before we celebrate the Christmas. So we used to come like that. All community, we used to come together and join hands in the cleaning drive before we celebrate any program, festival.